Now in this drill, how do I set up the shrimp scape with the wiggle if the person starts already with the crossface? Okay, so hold tight. So here I kind of, instead of pushing with the elbows, I stretch and I put my head tight against the ground. That weakens the arm. And here gently, you're gonna start to kind of post, move under and kind of deflect the arm until you can get the frame here. Stay strong, yeah, tight. And here now I let my leg go down and start to wiggle. And as I wiggle, I keep traveling. You know, my body keep holding towards the hip and the leg until I can wiggle more and shrimp more, crunch until my knees up. So my knees up, don't fall please. I start to push my hip back and then I keep wiggling again until I get my leg all the way around. Let's see another angle real quick. So here, straight, yeah. The more he tries to hold, the harder it is for him. And I kind of keep pushing my head down, so his arm is kind of stuck. So here, he tries to pull the arm out. See, the arms are stuck a little bit. As I move my hip under him, this arm gets weaker. I deflect that arm and I frame again. Not above the elbow, elbow level or below the body. Stretch the leg and start to wiggle, keep going. And pushing the leg and pushing the body, wiggle. And then arch, so you use your hand. Then wiggle, get your knee up. Push all the way, and here wiggle your head and shoulder more towards the side you want to get the leg out, and then you control the push.